Hello again. Today we will be discussing cell division. So what is cell division? Cell division is when one parent cell divides into two or more identical daughter cells. So as we've illustrated here, you can see, here's our mother cell. This is where our DNA is replicated. And then this is where the cell division occurs. And then here are our two identical daughter cells. So, fun fact, a human cell on average divides anywhere from 40 to 60 times. A fetus will have cells divide anywhere from 35 to 63 times. So there's lots of things that can affect cell division, however. So we have some internal factors and we have some external factors. Internally, there are a couple things. For instance, we have cell size and we have space. A healthy cell will not replicate if it is surrounded by other cells. It needs room to replicate. A cell that is too large can cause issues because it will require more nutrients for its ability to start dividing. It's actually preferable to have a smaller cell because the surface area to volume ratio is more favorable. And a smaller cell requires less nutrients to start dividing rather than compared to a larger cell. So those are some of the internal factors. Externally, there's a couple things as well. We have growth, stress, hormones. Lots of different things can affect your body internally, but that are caused externally. So stress, for instance. Let's bring our little diagram back over here. So when chromosomes, as we can see right here, these blue and green, they have tips, and those tips are called telomeres. And when chromosomes are split, it's almost like a candle. So a little bit of the telomere, the tip of the chromosome, is removed, about 1,200 nucleotides, every single time a cell divides. So like a candle, it just peels away. So stress can shorten this, and it can shorten the telomeres, causing the cell to not be able to divide as many times as it would otherwise. Also, another factor is hormones. Every month, typically, hormones signal for mitosis to occur in a woman's uterus. Another factor is growth. When you hurt yourself, you get a scab or a cut. Under that, your cells are dividing to form the new skin. So growth can stimulate more cell division. But on the negative aspect of that, cells can grow too much. And when this occurs, tumors can form. So there's two types of tumors. There's malignant, which is cancerous, and there's benign, which is just a big block of tissue that most of the time needs to be removed. And that's all we have today for cell division.